Chad Ezell is with Triple Hard Tools, and we're going to be talking about a color spreader situation here that is very interesting. I'm looking at a brochure that was given to me earlier. It is a new tool that applies dry shake hardener and color hardener more efficiently and effectively. And I suspect you have more information on that. How are you, Chad?
Good to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell us about it.
Well, they've been throwing color hardener for about 90 years, a little give or take.
Right.
And, it's about time somebody come up with an easier way. And the main designer, Scott Stevens, has been working on this for about 5 years. And the last 2 years, we've been working on a prototype, and we've got one in production just this past year and hit the market and getting a lot of demand. We're trying to keep up at this point.
Well, give us an idea what it does as far as being different from the present system that most everybody's accustomed to.
Currently, to apply color hardener, you have to throw it. Your concrete's still wet, you can't get on it, you've trialed it out, or basically leveled it out, water's come to the surface, you then apply your color hardener, which brings your compression shrink up a little, double your compression shrink, you get your color.
All right.
Some guys come in and stamp right after. Some, like in Alaska, they've actually been using our product because they have a 12,000 PSI demand on their roads because the graders having to clean off the ice. So they've actually been using our tool to apply. We have a 4-foot, and this is a 2-foot model I have in front of me, to apply the product just running off of regular poles that you'd run your bull float off of. You run your bull poles out, we have a remote control key fob. You hit your on button.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll be darned. And away it goes.
And away it goes. I've got a 24, the 2-foot model right here.
All right.
You can see it. And it's just a regular bull float design. Has your regular pole extension connection.
Right.
Battery powered. A Vibeco vibrator. We like working with a Vibeco. They got good product, good people, good warranty.
Okay. And this,
yes, sir.
This shakes it out?
Yes, sir. We just put the color hardener in it. You run it out like you would any bull float. Get to into your slab. You hit your key fob, your remote control. Once the vibrator activates, the color hardener starts going through the tray.
And it's all remote?
Yes, sir. Remote control. Everything's got to be remote control.
Everything's got to be remote. That's right.
We try to
exactly.
keep it simple.
I understand.
Right.
Well, this is very unique.
Yes,
really is.
It's a solution. The guys coming by the booth saying it's about time. Where have you been?
Really? Really? Well, it sure is, I think, going to be popular for those people who are working in that end of the business.
Yes, sir. It takes care of the health risk of breathing in powder. You can do this in a 25-mile-an-hour wind. In Texas, we get a lot of wind. Guys are using it in 20-mile-an-hour winds, and it's working great. They're not getting it on their clothes and their hair and their mouth.
Well, for those folks who are at the show, have access to the show, where are you located?
We're in the South Hall and booth.
Well, that's all right.
Well, I couldn't remember the number.
Oh,
booth,
no, that's a problem.
South 12918.
918, all
Yes,
right. And you're online?
Yes, sir. We have a webpage, colorspreader.com.
Okay, colorspreader.com, and this is just part of your marketing brochure.
Yes, sir.
And it's remote controlled and it goes 24/48, and I'll tell you, it's very interesting, very unique piece of equipment for remote controlled use.
And we're going to come out with some more products for application of aggregate or glass and wet pours that they're still throwing. We're taking care of the throwing game, getting guys back into the
No more throwing.
No more throwing. Make it easy.
Well, excellent. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Time. Thank
you,
sir.
Good. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget your remote or
yeah.
you can't get the project done.
Thank you, sir.
It's a pleasure. It's been fun. It's been a lot of fun.